Hello and welcome to Oliver. Today, we will walk you through the topic, Python versus R, which is a better choice for data science. Data science, a multidisciplinary field, relies heavily on programming languages for its analytical power. Today, we'll explore two prominent choices, Python and R, comparing their strengths and applications in the realm of data science. Understanding data science. Data science involves the extraction of insights from structured and unstructured data. It encompasses various domains like mathematics, statistics, computer science, and more. The importance of programming languages. Programming languages are the backbone of data science, offering tools and frameworks for data manipulation, analysis, visualization, and model building. Proficiency in a programming language is, therefore, a crucial skill for all data analysts. Why programming languages are important in data science. Programming languages provide tools and libraries for cleaning and manipulating data. Languages like R and Python offer statistical libraries for data analysis and modeling. Programming languages are crucial for implementing machine learning algorithms and building AI models. Languages like Python and R have libraries for creating visualizations to communicate data insights. Different languages offer varying levels of scalability and performance for handling large datasets and complex tasks. Programming languages enable the integration and deployment of data science models into existing systems and workflows. Introduction to Python and R. Python and R are two of the most popular languages in data science. They are both open source and compatible across multiple platforms, making them accessible to a wide range of users. Python is a high-level, general-purpose programming language known for its intuitive syntax that closely resembles natural language. Use cases. It is broadly used in data science, web application development, and automation/scripting. Python's readability and ease of learning make it a popular choice among beginners in programming. R, on the other hand, is a software environment and language specifically designed for statistical computing and data visualization. Its capabilities are primarily used in data manipulation, statistical analysis, and data visualization. It is widely used in the academic and research fields. Python versus R. The key differences. Let's compare Python and R on crucial factors like popularity, learning curve, data manipulation, visualization, machine learning, statistical analysis, and more. Popularity. R is widely used in academia and statistics. Python is widely adopted in industry and academia. Learning curve. R has a steeper learning curve for non-programmers. Python offers an easier syntax for beginners and programmers. Data manipulation. R is excellent for statistical data manipulation. Python requires additional libraries, e.g., pandas. Data visualization. R has robust visualization packages, ggplot2. Python uses matplotlib, Seaborn, and Plotly. Machine learning. R has comprehensive ML packages, MLR. Python has a rich ecosystem, scikit-learn, TensorFlow. Statistical analysis. R has built-in statistical functions and packages. Python requires external libraries, e.g., scipy. Community and support. R has a strong community with active forums. Python has a large community with extensive resources. Integration. R offers limited integration with non-R tools. Python can integrate with various tools and systems. R is efficient for large-scale data processing. Python has faster execution due to optimized libraries. Deployment. R can be challenging for deployment in production. Python offers easier deployment in production environments. What are the advantages of using Python for data science? Python offers readability, a vast ecosystem of libraries, a large and active community, seamless integration, and rapid prototyping for agile development. What are the advantages of using R for data science? R shines in statistical and graphical capabilities, extensive community support, specialized packages, and seamless integration with databases. Use cases of Python in data science. Python is extensively used in data pre-processing, visualization, exploratory data analysis, machine learning, NLP, big data processing, deep learning, time series analysis, web scraping, data integration, and more. Use cases of R in data science. R is ideal for exploratory data analysis, data cleaning, statistical modeling, machine learning, text mining, data visualization, web scraping, geospatial analysis, big data processing, and reporting. Is it possible to combine Python and R for data science? Combining Python and R in data science can offer a powerful and versatile approach to tackling complex problems. Python's extensive libraries and general-purpose nature allow for efficient data pre-processing, machine learning, and web development, while R's specialized statistical packages and visualization capabilities enable in-depth analysis and exploration of data. Leveraging the strengths of both languages, data scientists can take advantage of Python's robust ecosystem for data manipulation and modeling, while utilizing R's statistical functions and visualizations to gain deeper insights. Additionally, there are tools available, such as Reticulate and RPY2, that facilitate seamless integration between Python and R, enabling the use of R's packages within a Python environment and vice versa. By combining Python and R, data scientists can leverage the best of both worlds, expanding their capabilities and achieving more comprehensive and impactful results. Choose wisely, and remember, the power lies in your understanding and application of these powerful tools in the dynamic world of data science. For more enlightening reads, head over to our blog at olibr.com/blog. And hey, if you're on the hunt for exciting job opportunities, jump over to olibr.com and sign up. Unearth your potential, ignite your passion. Join our vibrant community across LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Threads. Stay tuned for more exciting tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates. Until next time, keep innovating.